Hello everyone, my name is Rahul and welcome to my channel Rahul QA Labs. So in today's tutorial, we will be learning how we can add a user in TestLodge and how we can manage the permissions. So normally when we talk about user roles and permissions, so a project comprises of many users. They can be testers, test lead, test managers, business analysts, etc. So in order for these users to access the project, we need to have some user roles defined in our application. So we will see here how we can add different users and set the permissions in TestLodge. So if I talk about TestLodge, so three types of user roles it provides. One is the account holders, next one we have the administrators, and third one is the standard users. So let's start with standard users. So standard users are nothing but the users that only have access to the projects allocated to them. They don't have any admin rights, they don't have any account holder rights. So these are the basic standard users to whom the projects have been allocated, and they can, execute the test cases or create the test cases like basic things. So that is a standard user. Coming to administrators, so as the name itself says, administrators can create, they can edit, or they can delete the projects. They can create, manage, and assign people to different projects. They can update the account settings as well, and they can access all the projects and assign the admin access to other users. So that is the part of administrators or the role of an administrator. Now coming to super higher authority people, they are account holders. So account holders are the people who generally signed up for the test lodge. The person who created the account and signed up for test lodge, those are the account holders. And he has access and permissions to do everything. And of course, there must be at least one account holder for test lodge. So let us see how we can create the users in TestLodge. So let us log into the application. So this is our application TestLodge. Let's log in into it. Okay, so this is the dashboard. Now on the left hand side, you can see various options here: project, people, settings, account details. So for adding the users, you have to go to the people tab. Just click on the people. Okay, so as you all can see that my name is here and I am the account holder. See here, account holder tag is there. Okay, so I can edit these details or uh, I can add a new person. Okay, so first let's see how we can add a new person. So see on the right hand side, this green button is there where it is saying new person. Click on this button and it will ask you all the details. Enter the name, enter the test email ID. So I have created a test email ID here. You can also create. Okay. Now coming to next option, it is saying what permissions should this person have. Let us see what all permissions are available. So number one, we have the custom roles that assigns the full access roles to all the current projects. Next one, we have the admin roles, assign administrator permissions, assign account holder permissions, and others saying none. I will assign the permissions later. So whichever option you want to use, you can use it. For example, as of now, I want to assign the administrator permissions. So I will select the admin role as assigned administrator permissions. Okay, so we have filled all the details and just click on add person. So see, the person is added here and this is the date when this person is added and he is an administrator. So let's see, as soon as we add a person or as soon as we add a user, that particular user will get an email. So let's see if that user has got an email or not. Okay, see, test lodge. So it says Rahul has added you to the test lodge. And to get started, set your password using the activation link. So they have sent you an activation link and you can click on this link and you can manage the password. So once your password has been set, You will then be able to log in using the email address. So these are all the instructions. Okay. So this is how we can add a user in TestLodge, and I have already explained about different users available here: administrators, account holders, and the custom roles. So I hope this is all clear to you all. This is a very basic tutorial on how to add a user, and you can add any number of users by clicking on this new person, filling all the details, filling the email ID, and what permissions you want to give. Okay, so that is pretty much for this tutorial, and we'll meet you in the next one. Till then, take care. Thank you. If you like the video, do subscribe my channel and always keep learning in life. Bye bye.